I'm Jim and welcome back to the Cortina restoration. With the Cortina now gone, this place needs to clean up and I'm going to try and paint it as well because it's been a while since I've done that and everything looks really messy. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So, bench out, everything off, clean it all up, try and give it some order, and let's see if we can get these walls painted at the same time. So let's get on with it. Finally finished, and it does look a lot better. I mean, granted, it's still a bit of a mess. Still got a bit on the top of the bench to sort, but underneath everything's pretty much in position as best it will be. Got some stuff to clean, which I can get on with now. So whilst the Cortina's been away and everything else is tidied, I've had a look at the lathe. I've had this about 5 years. I've thrown a new belt on it, which is a temporary thing because it's not quite the right belt, and I also need to make a new tensioner, so this should be able to what it should do is attach to this back piece here. You should be able to pull the lever, bring this forward so you can actually change what ratio you're on. Anyway, yeah, just thought I'd share it. I know a few of you were interested when I talked about it last time, and I just thought I'd show it now. Really happy with it. I don't think it sticks out much further than the old toolbox did, so for the moment I'll assume that I've got enough room to walk around it when the car's back, which should be any day now. So this is the gutter trim. Try and get zoomed in on that. You can see it's a bit scuffed and a bit manky, but we can fix that. So I'll treat it like you would with bodywork. I'll probably start with some 800 grit. Don't need to go too coarse with it. It's very fine bits on it. Then from there, 1000 grit, 1500, and then 2000 before getting polished. I'll show you the difference between each bit. So just show you this again. You can see all those little scuffs. All right, let's get it started. After 800, so we get to this bit here. Let's see if we can get zoomed in on that. So we've got a very small, quite deep actually. It's not gone through, but it's deep. And try and get that sanded out. But we've got a more uniform finish. So first off, let's get this bit fixed. It's just appeared on me. Where are you? There you go, you can see it. So I'm going to go down to 400 in that area, get it leveled, 600, 800, and then we should be consistent. Let's give it a go. So I've gone back over with 800. So that scuff somewhere around here. Ended up going down to 240 to sort it. And then 400, 600, and then I've just gone back over it all with 800. and it is gone. So you can take these out, just got to go down a grade. If you find any deep scratches, go down a grade and then come back up. So now it's to carry on with 1,000 and then we'll go up to 1,500. But I'll show you the 1,000 first. That's 1,000 grit. It's already getting a nice shine to it. It's really turning a corner now. On with the 1,500. It's improved a little bit more. It's a bit hard to pick up on the camera, but it looks more like it's brushed stainless or brushed aluminium than polished. But I think once we've done the 2,000, we should be close to being at a point where if you polished it, it would come up quite nicely. But I'm happy with how it's working. So we get a lot more consistency. Seems a little duller than I was expecting, but it'll polish up. So I think I'll try with 3,000, because I've got it and it's only going to help. And then we'll take it and polish it. That is looking so much better in 3,000 grit. It's really got a bit of a shine to it. Looks a bit dull on video, but it does look a lot better in person. But we're going to put it on the polishing mop and we'll give it a shine back. This is it polished. Trust me, it does look a lot better in real life than it does in this video. Well, put it this way, this is the opposite side, which hasn't been done. I know it needs cleaning as well, but you can really see the difference in it. This is one of the original shield badges that I've got. You can see some of the water's got to it and it's showing its age. Now, I bought these off eBay, and what I need to do is push this one out, and then this has got an adhesive back and it'll go in its place. I've already done one and it looks great. To be fair, I should have actually showed you this one because it was far worse. Completely lost its colour, but as you can see. So I've seen that they've been floating around on eBay for a while, these things. I just thought I'd show you how to take them out and what I think. So I'm just going to get set up and then I'll talk through it. So for this, I just recommend using a screwdriver. I've got some slots, push in there and there. I'll put it on this cloth just to make sure it's not going to get damaged. And if you do get stuck, that one in the middle. So if you get stuck, something like this, soft end in the middle, and that's it. Broken away. You take the backing plastic off, the backing paper even. Apply some pressure. And then done. So I've just loaded the car up on the trailer. Try not to hit anything. But there she is. Let's get her home. So it's the morning after, everything seems to have dried off. I've had that heater go in, and then I've used a greenhouse warmer from my wife's greenhouse, because she's not using it right now because it's December and we're not planting anything, I don't think. Oh, it'll be alright. But that's sorted. All 4 doors now have rubbers. That's it. Needs a little bit more effort on to shut the back doors for all 4 doors actually, for the rubbers, but the gaps are looking pretty good. I mean, they're not concourse, and I knew they wouldn't be concourse, but I'm not building a concourse car. It's what it is meant to be, and that is a car that I'm going to put some miles on and enjoy. I'm being serious about that. I've got plenty of ideas on where I want to go and take this car. it's been off the road so long now, the intention is to just use it and drive the wheels off it. So let's get on with putting the grill on now that's all clean up, and then I'll look at doing these gutter trims that I've cleaned up like minutes ago. So I better get on with it. Yeah, that trim's fought me a little bit. I'm gonna have to come back and do that because I need to hammer, and it's like 6:30 in the morning, so a bit too early to be doing that. That's not how you make friends. But the grill's on and it looks mega. I'm really happy with that. But I'm going to leave this episode where we are and go and get ready for work. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. But in the meantime, please subscribe, get in touch. Love hearing from you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.